But I'm just thankful this week that we get to reflect on what Jesus done for us, but also we're getting to celebrate that he got up out of the grave. I wasn't going to sing either because I was kind of in the same boat as Brother Jim with health, and I got to praying about it, and I said, our bodies are going to fail us, but Jesus never will, and we need to give him our all, and we need to sing and give him glory even when we don't feel well because of what he done for us. And what little bit of health issues I go through, I have to think it's never going to compare to what Jesus went through when he took that cross up Calvary and he died and he said, it is finished. But on that third day, he rose and he's not there anymore. Hallelujah.